It indeed gives me great honor and a very, very strong sense of happiness to once again be here amongst all of you for this wonderful program where we will be, or rather where we have inaugurated this new Durbar Hall. I would like to take this opportunity to thank the members who have invited me here to inaugurate this particular hall, including our Honorable MLA. In the beginning, I was wondering that I have not contributed anything towards this beautiful hall, but I am yet being called to inaugurate. But once I received the memorandum for the gallery, I understood why I have been called here. Friends, I'm very happy to see that the community, along with the government, with the local leaders, across party lines, across politics, we have come together to serve the people of our state. This beautiful hall is a great example of how the community and elected representatives can come together to create something which is really meaningful and truly beautiful. Our effort has been to ensure that no district, no area is left behind. No individual is left behind. I'm happy to inform you that in the last 8 years, close to 130 major projects, infrastructure projects have been taken up in West Khasi Hills alone. These 129, to be precise, 129 projects has an outlay or have an outlay of 1,315 crores, which means in the last 8 years, in West Khasi Hills district alone, 1,315 crores worth of projects is going on as we speak. I am also happy to announce that the government has made a decision that every district headquarter must have two important infrastructures. The first is that every district headquarter must have a convention center. I am happy to announce that the detailed project report for the Nongstoin Convention Center amounting to 27 crores is ready. And within this year, the construction of this convention center will start. I am also happy to announce that we have taken a decision that every district headquarter must have good sports infrastructures. The Honorable MLA has submitted one proposal for an artificial turf for 9.5 crores. I am examining that proposal because I would like to see that it should not just be the artificial turf, but I would like to see that there should be an synthetic track also along with it. So therefore, I will be re-examining the proposal, rediscussing with the Honorable MLA and discussing with the local people. And then within this year itself, we will sanction the funds for a synthetic turf come a playing field, whether natural turf or artificial. We will discuss in detail but I would like to assure you that a full sports infrastructure having synthetic track for athletics and a field to play football, whether natural or artificial, will start this year. I will sanction it this year itself. It is confirmed. So I wanted to announce that we will be doing that also. At the same time, the road from Nongstoin to Sopen area, which the Honorable MLA has already announced also, close to about 27 or 25 crores has already been sanctioned, and therefore that road also, the work, we expect the work under CRF, the road has been sanctioned. It's a Government of India's sanction. That also has been approved. So I expect that the tendering and the work for that project also will start very soon. To conclude, the memorandum that has been submitted by the new Nongstoin Sports Social and Cultural Club, Honorable MLA has already briefed me about this memorandum, and he has put in a special request that the gallery, which is been requested by the new Nongstoin Sports Social and Cultural Club, needs to be sanctioned because this field and this venue is used multiple times by the public as well as even the government, and hence this would be a blessing for the people at large, and hence I am happy to announce that I will be sanctioning necessary funds for this particular project and this gallery. And I would be very, very happy in the future to continue working closely. As you are aware, our government has always believed that true development can only happen if we work with our community and our local leaders.